ताकत को देना होगा। लेकिन सर, आई वुड लाइक टू कम ऑन रिकॉर्ड एंड से दैट, सर, आई नो दैट there are many departments like finance department, electricity department, irrigation department, so much, if you know, I would say कि सही तरीके से गवर्न नहीं किया गया, मैनेज नहीं किया गया, या करप्शन के इल्जामात है, जो भी है, but I will tell you the education department was worse, sir, in the BRS government, and it was neglected by the BRS government, sir, and you have inherited this department, sir. You need to take a special care for this, sir. Always the education department has been neglected, sir. Only by establishing residential schools, colleges will not answer the question, sir. Sir, now the question which arises is that, is it not the failure of the government? I'm not pointing and saying that this government or this government, any government, sir, the mushrooming of private schools itself gives a reply to us that the government is failing in education system. Sir, in UK, in USA, school education is free. And everybody takes a pride in studying in a government school. Why is it the students and the children of Telangana state are not taking pride in studying in the government schools, sir? The reason is that the department has been neglected, the schools are neglected, but sir, at the same time, everybody criticizes the government, everybody criticizes, but today I stand here and say that, sir, for every success cannot be achieved only by the government, only by a minister, only by a public representative. A responsibility lies on the principal, on the staff, and on all the members of the particular school, sir. Sir, I have earlier also spoken, sir. Everybody wants a government job. But the question here is that, कि sir, हमारे पास हम मुसलमानों में हलाल है और हराम है, सर. सर, जैसे हम अगर शराब हराम है, जुआ हराम है, जिना करना हराम है, और गोश्त जो हम खाते हैं हलाल करते हैं, तो सिर्फ शराब या जुआ ये हराम नहीं है, सर. सर, हमारे पास ये भी कहा जाता है, अब जैसे मैं अगर यहां खड़ा हूं, सर, मैं अवामी नुमाइंदा बनकर आया हूं, अवाम के मसाइल को उठाना मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, और अगर मैं अपनी जिम्मेदारी को नहीं उठाऊंगा, सही तरीके से नहीं निभाऊंगा, और यहां पे खड़े रहकर वो जो गरीब जिस उम्मीद से मुझे वोट दिया है उसकी आवाज को नहीं उठाऊंगा, तो मैं जो तनख्वाह आप जो मुझे एज ए लेजिस्लेचर मिल रही है, मैं ये समझता हूं कि वो भी हलाल नहीं होगी, वो हराम हो जाएगी मेरे लिए. मैं ये समझता हूं. इसलिए बड़ी दियानतदारी और पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ कोशिश करता हूं कि वो अवाम जिसने मेरे साथ उम्मीदें वाबस्ता की है उसका कुछ करूं. बट सर, आई एम सॉरी टू से, सर, सरकारी मुलाजमत के लिए भागोदौड़ करते हैं, तैयारी करते हैं, हासिल करते हैं, लेकिन सर, एवरी गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय शुड बी मेड अकाउंटेबल, सर. So the reason I am saying is that, sir, I also run schools, sir. I run 10 schools, sir, free schools. Free schools, I don't charge a single paisa as a fees, sir. I have 25,000 children studying in my schools, and different coachings I give them. Again, that is 25,000, 50,000 children are there, and I know, sir, I know it is very hard to run one school, sir. I know it is not that easy. So I also know that it is not easy for the government to run a school, but through you, sir, और इस असेंबली के जरिए मैं हुकूमत को बता रहा हूं कि उनको क्या करना है, तो मैं ये अपॉर्चुनिटी को यूज करते हुए गवर्नमेंट के स्कूल्स के प्रिंसिपल्स और टीचर्स से भी अपील करूंगा कि प्लीज प्लीज आप भी अपने स्कूल को देखिए, आप भी अपने बच्चों को देखिए, आप भी वहां के उसको स्कूल के एजुकेशन के क्वालिटी को इंप्रूव करिए, स्टैंडर्ड्स को इंप्रूव करिए, क्योंकि इनकलाबात एक वाहिद शख्स से नहीं आते. खौमों के मुकद्दर को एक शख्स बदल नहीं सकता। खौमों के मुकद्दर को बदलना है तो हम सबको मिलकर काम करना होगा। गवर्नमेंट का सपोर्ट होना है, प्रिंसिपल का सपोर्ट होना है, टीचर्स का होना है, लेकिन यह नहीं है। इट इज अ रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सर of every individual, sir. Sir, I also welcome the constitution of Food Safety Committee, sir. Yes, sir. In BRS government also many incidents happen, जहां पे खाना अच्छा नहीं था, खराब हुआ। बट सर हम बड़ी आसानी से अगर वो यहां रहे तो इन पे करेंगे, ये वहां रहे तो वो उन पे करेंगे, लेकिन हर एक के दौर में ये हुआ है। इसकी वजह यही है सर, हाउ कैन वी मेंटेन अ क्वालिटी इन सच रेट्स? हम नहीं कर सकते। We need to have a realistic approach and accept the crude realities which we are failing to, sir. But the Food Safety Committee and the task force was needed and I welcome के ये हुआ है, अच्छा हुआ है सर। सर ये implementation of common diet plan and standard operating, इसके लिए भी मैं इस्तकबाल करता हूं। ठीक है सर, आप कर रहे हैं सर। यंग इंडिया इंटीग्रेटेड रेजिडेंशियल स्कूल एंड कॉम्प्लेक्सेस है, ठीक है, आपने ये भी कहा है, चलिए हम इसका भी इस्तकबाल करते हैं। अम्मा आदर्शा पटशाला कमेटी है सर। सर इसमें ये कमेटीज बनाए गए हैं सर। बट as just now I was hearing to my friend from BJP, he was mentioning about so many schools which do not have, you know, the furniture, the toilet, the compound walls. The same situation is still there, sir. If I have to talk about my constituency or in Old City or in Hyderabad city, sir, there are many schools where there is no furniture. Many schools there is no fan. So many schools there is no teaching faculty. Many schools do not have benches. It is so sad, sir, that they do not even have a light. So Falaknuma campus was there, sir. In my constituency, it is there. Sir, you know, there were no fans, there were no lights. From my personal trust, I got some light, bulbs and all, and fans, everything. We got it done. Fine, sir. Sir, but there are many other things, sir. There is no water for girls, toilets, sir. These are the issues, sir. Major issues, sir. Sir, which needs to be attended. Why are we still lagging behind? Why as a father and who has, I also have 2 children, as a father, why one father doesn't want his child, his son or his daughter to study in the government school? The reason is that the government schools lack the basic infrastructure and the basic facility and no proper teaching staff. That is why they do not want. Sir, if we take care of this, sir, महंगाई कितनी बढ़ रही है? सर एक स्कूल की फीस 1000 रुपये 2000 रुपये महाना होती है प्राइवेट स्कूल में। अगर वही 2000 बचते हैं तो एक गरीब के 24000 बच जाएंगे साहब महीने में। गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स को इंप्रूव क्यों नहीं करते हैं सर? सर रिक्रूटमेंट ड्राइव फॉर टीचिंग एंड नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ, जनरल स्कूल 10,006 पोस्ट, रेजिडेंशियल स्कूल 10,225 पोस्ट वे फिल्ड। सो आई वेलकम दिस सर, मैं मुबारकबाद देता हूं हुकूमत को। प्रमोशंस भी आपने किया है, बहुत अच्छा किया है। फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फॉर ऑल एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, यस सर, दैट इज राइट सर, बिल्कुल सही है सर। उसके लिए भी हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं कि वी बी डिमांडिंग दैट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाज कट सर। सर एट द सेम टाइम सर मिड डे मील्स है, प्रोविजन ऑफ क्वालिटी यूनिफॉर्म्स जो दिए हैं सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स को, अच्छा काम करे हैं, अच्छा हुआ है। बट सर अगेन इफ वी हैव टू सी ₹50 to ₹75 पर पेयर, तो ये 75 रुपीज में कहां से बनेगा सर? किधर से बनेगा बताइए, कौन बनाएगा? इसको भी बढ़ाने की जरूरत है सर। सर and at the same time sir, the school facility maintenance grant of 136.10 crores towards the maintenance improvement of schools for sanitation facility दिया गया, अच्छा है सर, हम इसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं। लेकिन कितने स्कूल्स में दिया गया? सैनिटेशन वर्कर्स नहीं है सर, देयर आर नो सैनिटेशन वर्कर्स सर, स्कूल्स में नहीं है। तो मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से दरखास्त करूंगा, मुतालबा करूंगा, अगर आप इतने पैसे रिलीज किए हैं तो कितने स्कूल्स में दिए? हाउ मेनी स्कूल्स हैव यू कवर्ड? How many schools have you made the toilets? How many schools you have provided with electricity bulb? How many schools have you provided with the fans? How many schools have you provided with repairing of the toilets? This needs to be known to the people, sir. Sir, and then if we have to go, but at the same time, sir, जब मैं schools की बात करता हूं, sir, I would like to say about this Gurukulas, sir. SC Gurukulas and BC Gurukula, ST Gurukulas, minority Gurukulas, Ashram School, General Gurukulams, and KG BVP schools, model school, urban residential school, special school for blind, deaf, dumb, juvenile and sports, sir. Sir, before going into special schools, sir, when we talk about the other residential schools, sir, it is not that I'm going to stand here and only criticize and, just pick up points. Sir, in the note given by Madam, I was expecting and I was hoping that she would give the details of all the students who were successful in securing or clearing the IIT, the IIMs, the NEET, the MSET, and all other competitive exams. And I would say, Alhamdulillah, sir, the residential schools have given a wonderful result, sir. Wonderful results, I would say. In my constituency, in Barkas Residential School, sir, three children cracked the NEET and they secure an MBBS seat in the government medical college. So this also needs to be appreciated. So using this forum from this house, I congratulate all the teachers and all the officers responsible for the success of these students, sir. I congratulate them. It's a wonderful work that they have done. From the residential schools, those children are clearing the competitive exams and they're going, sir. ये बहुत बड़ी कामयाबी है. Sir, at the same time, when I congratulate, sir, I think it is my moral responsibility to also thank the ex-Chief Minister, Mr. KCR Sahab, for constructing the Anisul Guruba, sir. Wonderful building has come up there, sir. I thank him very much. And in that Anisul Guruba, now Telangana Minority Residential School is running, sir. Children are staying there. Children are getting educated there. But at the same time, sir, that center is for the orphan children and the children of the poorest of the poor, like daily laborers. They, when they go for a job in the morning, they come and they drop their child there at Anisul Gurba and they do their job और काम से वापसी के वक्त बच्चे को फिर घर लेके जाते थे. आज अनीसुल गुरबा में वो काम नहीं हो रहा है. सर, अनीसुल गुरबा के लिए, यतीमों के लिए बनाया गया, गुरबा के लिए बनाया गया. आज जिस पर्पस के लिए बनाया गया वो पर्पस नहीं हो रहा है उसमें. Why is it, sir? सर, एंड उसके बाद में अनीसुल गुरबा की एक मैनेजिंग कमेटी बनाई गई थी. सर, I was also the member of that. I don't know when that committee was abolished or finished or ended. I don't know who's seeing it. I mean, we are not invited for any meetings. Our suggestions are not being taken, sir. Sir, when I talk about Timiri, sir, through you, I would request the Honorable Minister, when she's going to give a reply, kindly tell me, madam, the entire amount for running these Gurukulas, residential school, is being given by the government treasury. And then at the end of a year, there is an auditing which has been done by CAG for all. And CAG submits a report. Sir, Speaker Sahab, आपको सुन के हैरत होगी सर. तेलंगाना माइनॉरिटी रेजिडेंशियल कॉलेजेस का 10 साल से न ऑडिटिंग हुआ है, न CAG को उसके अकाउंट्स दिए गए. Is it fair, sir? Sir, who's giving the money? The government is giving. It is going for the government treasury. And I have been continuously demanding that there should be an audit. So, 1 साल की auditing now they are doing, sir. In the last assembly I had raised, and they said, yes, we'll do 1 year's auditing. Madam, why 1 year auditing? Why not the auditing for the last 10 years? There has been misappropriation in that. उसमें बहुत सारे लोगों ने फर्नीचर के नाम पे पैसा खाया है, टीचर्स रिक्रूटमेंट के नाम पे पैसा खाया है, मैं कह रहा हूं खड़े रहकर यहां पे, जिम्मेदारी के साथ कह रहा हूं, मेरे पास सारी एविडेंसेस है। क्यों उसकी इंक्वायरी नहीं होती सर? क्यों उसको सीएजी में नहीं लाता? एंड आई, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, अगेन आई वुड से, my learned friend, my dear friend, my colleague Sridhar Babu was there with me in the Public Accounts Committee. We passed the resolution and we moved it to the government, asking them to do the auditing of Telangana minority residential schools. Sir, अब तक नहीं हुआ सर, वो नहीं करे सर। क्यों नहीं करते हैं सर? So this is what sir, and yes sir, these residential schools are good, I would say. It needs to be strengthened and we need to support them more so that we get good results from these schools, sir. Sir, at the same time, going further ahead, sir, special school, blind, deaf, dumb, juvenile and sports, sir. The number of institutes are 9 and the intake capacity is 830, sir. Sir, through you, I would say, sir, jaisa Bahadurpura hai,